How to solve Nokia 105 not showing caller ID. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem of yours. So to do that you must follow the following step. The very first step is to head towards the setting of your Nokia phone. After you go to the setting and select it, now you need to scroll down and down up until you see the very option of call settings. After you see the option of call settings, just select it and tap on it. After opening the call settings, go all the way down and select Send My Caller Identity. Now, you will see the on or off option if you tap on it. Now what you need to do is select the on option and you will see the done option right there, and there will be a box with tick there. So you just need to be tapping there and the tick option will be available, and then you are done. Now it's turned on and you can use it very easily. So that's how it's done. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.